Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Really, welcome to my channel. So today I really want to say this special and very simple and very delicious recipe, cauliflower recipe, and it really is from my mom. I really learned from my mom. This is very special, and every Nepali people, they know this recipe, and it's very simple, it's very delicious. And today also I really want to talk about something else. I saw in TikTok that some motivation speech, some quote, it's really inspired me. It's really it motivates me, because before I make the YouTube channel I completely forget about it. I didn't care. So now again, after I heard this quote, it really inspired me to keep going what I created. So this is really, the becoming the best version of yourself is a really journey, and it's not a race. It doesn't happen in one day. Also, it starts with one simple step: knowing who you are and what you want to improve. Maybe you want to be more confident, kind, healthy, and more focused. And what you that's the good beginning, and really to next set the small goals. Big changes will start with small action, and read few pages of books. What is your favorite books? Or spend some time. Don't spend time only watching movie or only for your phones. Don't spend time like this, okay? And this is what I learned so far. So go for a small walk, enjoy the nature, and really speak kind each and every person you meet. Don't the rudeness, just forget about that one, okay? These little things help you to grow, even if this seems small at first. So it's really important to make mistake, okay? After you make the mistake, so they will teach you the very valuable lesson. Don't be afraid, okay? Learn and get up and keep going. This is how you become strong and wise. And surrounded people is more important things, okay? Surround yourself with the good positive peoples who support your growth, and try new things, challenges yourself, be patient and kind to yourself along the way, okay? So you don't need to be perfect, you just need to be who you are, okay? Keep moving forward. Every day is a new challenge to improve, even just little things, okay? The best version of yourself is not someone else, it's in you, okay? Learning, growing, and trying your best. Keep going you on the right path. And this is what I learned till now. I'm still learning, okay? And there is so many things you need to learn in your life, okay? You every day you learn something new if you want, okay? If you don't want, obviously you'll not learn. But you have to be very energy, okay? Don't waste your energy in bad situation, bad people's, bad mood, okay? No, it's totally no, okay? And I really, I also one could really inspire me, that the camera is, life is just like a camera, okay? Focus on what's the important things, okay? Capture the good times, develop from the negatives, really. And if the things don't work really out, and the camera will take another shot. That's the life, okay? Thank you so much for your time, thank you so much for your patience, and thank you so much for everything. Keep going, keep learning. Thank